order. So the ants didn't like their new home. Bit of waste of money. I squished an ant by mistake. There she is. And, oh, still running around. So they are in here somewhere. No idea where. We can just check the entrances on these places. And, here we are. Probably in this one here. They've tried to block it off, even with the plastic. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, lots of winged ants over there. Okay, I'll just leave them for the time being. I'm not going to be using these boxes for the next year, so good luck, guys. Tons to do today. I've got to quickly add some kind of feeding box to the hive over there. We'll most sure start to get yellow hornet attacks in the next 3 weeks. And I want to check the hornet traps. They seem to be filled up with bugs, which is not a cool thing. I think it's a Kanabu. Can't remember what the name is in English, but yeah. So we'll go and check that first and get a hornet tally. These steps are getting scarier and scarier. Okay, as you can see, it's Chockablock, but not of hornets. There we go. Come here. You don't want to go in there. Okay, so we'll start with giant hornets. Not too many of these going around. Okay, so it's definitely catching a lot more bugs than hornets right now, so I won't place it out for the next couple of weeks. Okay, time to check on that hive. colony's doing okay. Still no honey reserves at all. So definitely going to have to start feeding them. So here's a little bit of honey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's unusual. Maybe this one isn't. Yeah. And I'm just going to put this box on top. Got the little hot slits for the bees to come through. So, like that. And then sugar syrup goes in here. And that means I can feed when hornets are attacking. Perfect. And this is the colony I got from my Japanese cook friend. I don't think they're doing well. Whoa, look at that spider. Where did that go? That's a... Imagine living with that.